In this version of Hot Off the Wire, is it time for a similar report on e-cigarettes? Just as there were questions about the health effects of combustible cigarettes in January 1964, uncertainty about the dangers of e-cigarettes remains today. Some experts say an explanatory report is needed. New York. The cost of overdrawing money from a bank account could be as low as $3 under a proposal announced by the White House. The Biden administration's latest move to combat wages puts an unnecessary burden on American consumers, especially those living paycheck to paycheck. He says the change could potentially eliminate billions of dollars in fee revenue for the nation's largest banks, which were bracing for battle even before Wednesday's announcement. Under proposal, banks would be required to show how much it costs them to operate their overdraft services or instead charge a benchmarking fee, which could be 3, 6, 7 or 14, depending on the final version of rule. RIO VISTA, Calif. After years of secretly seizing property for plans to build a new California city, a company backed by Silicon Valley billionaires is appearing before voters. The California Forever Company filed paperwork Wednesday to ask voters on the November ballot to allow them build the city on currently protected farmland. The company has avoided scrutiny in recent years by seizing more than $800 million worth of farmland in Solano County. Plans will initially include around 20,000 homes for 50,000 residents and could grow to up to 400,000 people. Sacramento, Calif. California Gov. Gavin Newsom says he will not sign a proposal to ban children under 12 from playing football. A bill that would phase out football for children under 12 was passed by the Legislative Committee last week. The bill had to pass the state legislature by the end of January to have a chance of becoming law this year, but Newsom's pledge not to sign the bill effectively ends the proposal's chances. Advocates say the ban will protect children from the risk of brain damage, but opponents say the ban would deprive children of a source of activity and exercise. Panama City. A severe drought that began last year has forced authorities to reduce ship transit by 36 through the Panama Canal, one of the world's most important trade routes. The new cuts announced by officials in Panama on Wednesday appear to deal a bigger economic blow than previously expected. Canal managers estimate that lowering the water level could cost them between $500 million and $700 million in 2024, compared to previous estimates of $200 million. One of most severe droughts to hit Panama has caused chaos along 50-mile sea route, causing boat traffic jams and raising doubts and concerns about reliability of canal for international shipping. Washington. Conservative Supreme Court justices have voiced support for weakening the power of federal regulators, but it's unclear whether the majority will overturn a landmark 40-year-old decision. Bill